Hi there. Even with all this news about bushfires in Australia and volcanic activity not just in my home country, but all around the world, I've seen a lot of love and help going on. Fundraising activities and donations, and people volunteering. It really warms my heart and gives me hope for the future. This very red eyes makeup video is dedicated to everyone who helped and gave, and those who are suffering and surviving and hoping for better days ahead. My thoughts and my prayers are with you. For this video, I'm using all the same stuff to prep my face. Rose water toner, vitamin C and glowy serum. It's important to choose and continue to use products that produce great results. Although it usually doesn't hurt to try new things once in a while. Just be sure you have a fix for it, in case things get really wrong. Plan B, up to Z, don't only apply in real life, but also in skincare and makeup. Learning from our own experiences and from others is always a good way to improve ourselves and how we do things. At least we could avoid making the same mistakes they did. Just like this brow style, I was quite loyal to the way I did my brows for years. But after watching myself on video one too many times, I've realized it's due for an upgrade. I don't think it's ugly, but I know I can do much better brows now. So I did. I might change it again next time, but we'll see. Life teaches us things and we should keep learning, trying, learning, and remembering. I wasn't born knowing how to do makeup. Nobody is. I started using makeup when I was 3, when my mom had me join a kids pageant. Makeup back then was not as kid-friendly as they are now, and I hated the smell of hairspray. Until now, every time someone tries to spray my hair, I get flashbacks of hours of bobby pin pulling and baby oil rubbing and shampooing. Maybe that's why hairstyling was never my thing. Makeup, on the other hand, has always fascinated me. I remember Aruba, the first makeup artist to touch my face, used to say, "Ay, duduguin ako sa batang ito," which roughly translates to, "Oh my, this girl would give me a miscarriage." He is a gay man, by the way. He used to say that jokingly whenever I wouldn't keep my eyes closed for eyeshadow because I wanted to watch. He was my mom's makeup artist and hairdresser since she moved to Manila from Lipa, Batangas. Yes, Batangas, where the Taal volcano is located. It was from Aruba's hands that my waterline got used to being poked and lined by eyeliners. Pencil eyeliners. I believe I owe him my no-blink skill when I line my eyes. Aside from Aruba, Fillmore was another makeup artist that I grew up with. He was always working at salons near where I lived in Quezon City. I met him when I was 5. That's like 20 plus years ago. He did a lot of my makeup, for my school programs and out-of-school activities. He always lovingly called me Ga in a sing-song voice, which literally means love, an endearment in his language and dialect. Most of the things I know and makeup skills I have right now are from years of watching him paint my face. He liked it when I participated and watched and asked questions. He was always very considerate and made sure I liked how it looked before he stopped and called it done. And then there's Miss Rosalie. She was very technical and had all the professional equipment. The looks she made for me were out of this world. She made my pimple scars and bumps disappear in a few brushstrokes. From her, I learned how to refine the skills I learned from both Fillmore and Aruba. Also mixing foundation and how to choose false eyelashes and applying them as quickly as I do. I've also done other people's makeup before, and I learn a lot from every experience, from every face. Makeup is never a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. Preference, skin type, and sensitivity level always vary. When it comes to color, it's not just the shade that you have to consider. Skin color is not merely based on one's lightness or darkness. There's also undertones in play. I've done makeup for people with very low self-esteem due to certain skin conditions and hormone issues. What I have learned from Aruba, Fillmore, and Miss Rosalie gave me something to start with. And all that first-hand experience as receiver and giver of makeup looks gave me the openness to possibilities and gave me the desire to learn more so I can give more. A few workshops, trials, and researches later, I am now able to create makeup tutorials for you and make videos as I learn more. I know that in this life, there's always going to be something better and someone better at whatever it is we want to do. But that shouldn't be stopping us from doing our best. And how do we do that? By always aiming for better than before. That was quite a long talk, wasn't it? Hope you enjoyed this video and this makeup look. See you next time.